Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Instagram. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Instagram on your device and you will be taken to the login page. If you forget your password, you must reset it. So, tap Get Help with logging in. On this page, find your account using your Facebook account. So, tap Continue with your Facebook account. Next, create a new password and re-enter the new password. Once you are done, tap the check at the top right corner. And that's how you reset your password on Instagram. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon.